Did you know Sweden recycles over 85% of its bottles and cans? Thanks to an innovation system called the Pant System, recycling is easy, rewarding, and great for the environment. Let's explore how it works and why it's so effective. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll explore how Sweden has made recycling easy and efficient with bottle collection systems in stores. In Sweden, recycling is a part of daily life. Stores across the country have dedicated collection points where you can easily return your bottles for recycling. This is the bottle return machine. Simply insert your bottles into the machine and it scans the barcode to register the return. In Sweden, bottles come with a deposit known as pant. This means that every time you purchase a beverage, you pay a small deposit fee for the bottle. When you return it to the machine, you get that fee back. This bottle does not have a barcode and hence the machine won't accept this bottle. After your bottles are accepted, you'll get a refund. You can choose to receive it as a cash or use as a voucher to discount your next purchase. These bottles will either be cleaned and reused or properly recycled, helping to reduce waste and conserve resources. So next time you are out shopping, make sure to return your bottles and join the movement toward a cleaner planet. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sustainable living tips.